Everyone is elevating their hair growth journey in this 2025, and one of the ways to do that is using mini braids. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve long, healthy hair using mini braids. I'm also going to be telling you 10 different facts about mini braids and how to install them, how to take care of them. Welcome to my channel, and without further ado, let's go straight to today's video. The first important thing about mini braids is that it is an ancient hairstyle that has ancient roots. Mini braids have been worn for centuries, dating back to African civilizations where intricate braiding patterns symbolized social status, tribe, and even marital status. The next important thing we're going to notice is that mini braids is a protective hairstyle that helps protect natural hair from breakage and environmental damage, making them a great choice for hair growth and retention. Let's go straight forward to how to make and how to install this beautiful hairstyle. You're going to start with freshly washed hair, very detangled, and we're going to be using a spray bottle that has water, a deep conditioner, a hair growth oil, rat tail comb for parting your hair, a detangling brush, and a white tooth comb if needed. The best way to start installing mini braids, like I always say, is to go in sections. And what I do is go in 6 sections. The reason why I'm doing this is because it is easy to manage your hair when it is in section. So I'm going to be starting from the front section. I have 6 sections. I try to part from ear to ear at my crown and from ear to ear at the back, making me have 6 sections. I'm going to start working with the first section, using water to damp my hair and leave-in conditioner. The reason why we are doing this is because you don't want a dry mini braids. You don't want mini braids that are dry. You want something that is looking very fresh and very, succulent and juicy. I do not like to see mini braids looking dry because mini braids are hairstyles that can easily soak up water, and then if not managed well, unlike twists, it might look very dry. Now I'm going to be starting with a sizable portion. I'm not going to be going with very tiny portions. It's important to not go in tiny sections if you are actually keeping this for a long time, or if you are doing this for the sole purpose of hair growth. Okay, the reason why this is important is because when you want to take it down, it is easier to take it down when it is not in small sections. Now we are going to start braiding by going in from hand to hand using 3 parts. You're going to divide your hair into 3 parts, and then you're just going to weave either under braid or over braid. However way you can install your mini braids, it's best that you do it the way you can. This is the method that is faster for me. I understand that some people braid under braid, some people braid over braid. Whatever method you are using, just make sure that you are braiding your hair like you're weaving your hair. That's basically the act. So like I said, this is a very ancient hairstyle. Women of Chad, yes, the Basara women in Chad and the Himba women of Namibia were the first people that started this process, and since then it has been going from generation to generation, passed from different women from different cultures to different cultures. It has actually come from East Africa to West Africa and then all over the world. Right now, people even use extensions to make this hairstyle. But if you're doing this for the sole purpose of hair growth, I would advise that you don't use extensions, because now a lot of people cannot afford human hair extensions, and if you are going in with synthetic extensions, those are quite toxic to your hair growth. When you are done braiding, just add a little hair butter to the tip of your hair. I use shea butter, but if you have a hair growth butter, you can use it to the tip of your hair. This is because you want to seal in the moisture that you've added, the leave-in conditioner, the water, and whatever oils that you've added in the course of making this hairstyle. The next thing we are going to talk about is, so we talk about the ancient roots, talk about the protective hairstyle, and now the third fact about mini braids is low maintenance. Once installed, mini braids require minimal daily upkeep, making them a convenient style for people with busy schedules. Unlike twists that requires you maintaining your hair every time, mini braids they require just low maintenance. You can just take it out, and just moisturize your hair 2 or 3 times a week, depending on your hair porosity. If you have high porosity, I will advise that you moisturize 3 times a week, and if you have low porosity hair, I will advise that you moisturize twice a week. Number four fact is mini braids are long lasting. They can last for several weeks with special care, reducing the need for frequent hairstyling. Number five is the shrinkage friendly. Unlike some other hairstyles, mini braids allow natural hair to shrink, making them a good option for those who want to maintain their natural curl pattern while in a protective style. Like you can see my braids, how they are twisting up, how they are forming their curls. So that is one thing that mini braids allows, which is actually beautiful. Number six is versatile styling. Mini braids can be worn loosed, in updos, ponytails, in buns, or even combined with other styles like twists or cornrows. You can just make it in different versatile hairstyles, which is very, very beautiful. Number seven is less tension. Unlike tight braids or weave, mini braids can be gentler on the scalp, reducing the risk of tension alopecia if done correctly. So you want to make sure that you don't make it very tight, but make it very firm. Okay. Number eight can be done without extension. I've said it before. You can go in with your natural hair. Number nine, it is perfect for DIY styling. They can be done at home with patience and practice, making them a budget friendly option like the way I am doing right now. If you are looking in for hair growth, I want to advise that you learn how to braid your hair by yourself at home. You don't have to go out. This will help you prevent people mishandling your hair and fitting your hair anyhow. If you know how to take care of your hair, you do not need to go outside. And the last fact, number 10, it works for all hair types. They are commonly worn by those with natural hair. Mini braids can be styled on relaxed, wavy, or even straight hair for a unique look. My hair is type 4B, and even if you have a type 4C hair, you can still wear this hair. Whatever type of hair you have, you can still wear mini braids. Now, when you are done with all your hair, just make sure to apply moisturizer and oil, and just take care of your hair. I'm going to be keeping this hairstyle for 4 weeks or even more than that, 4 to 6 weeks. And then I'm going to be showing you different methods that I'll be using, different hairspray, different hair oils I'll be using. So it is at this junction that I want you guys to, if you like this video, just give this video a like, a thumbs up. And if you want to see what I'll be doing with these mini braids, how the updates will be like in 4 to 6 weeks time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you found this content valuable, also hit the subscribe button, drop a comment for me, share this video to other girlies out there. And this is what I have been using, to elevate my hair growth. This is what girlies out there have been using to elevate their hair growth. The last time I did mini braids was in December 2024, and when I took it down, my hair was really, really lengthy. But if you have been following my channel, you know that my hair has come a long way and you can see the length. I'm going to be showing you the updates and the progress in the next 6 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. At this junction, I just added oil to the tips, to the roots, and you want to do that every 2 days, like twice a week or 3 times a week. Your hair is going to thank you for it. This is what our mothers were using. This is what our forefathers were using, our ancestors. They locked in their hair for weeks, for months, and their hair grew. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. I love you so much. Bye.